In this video, I will show you how to draw semicircle in Microsoft Word. I will show you two best methods. Number one is go to Insert, then click on Shape. Under Basic Shape, you will see the Arc tool. Click on it and draw a arc like this. Now, click on the bottom arrow and drag it to the left. Now go to Insert. Then click on Shape. Here you will find the line tool. Now drag the line from up to down. If you want to increase the line weight, you have to select the line, then go to Shape Line, then go to Weight and select the line weight you want. I will select 1.5, then click on the next and go to Shape Line, then click on Weight, and under weight you will see 1.5. Now you have to select the two shapes. Press Shift and select both. Now right click and you will see the group option. Just group it. Here you will find the rotate tool. Now rotate it. You see this looks like a semicircle. Number two method is go to Insert, then click on Shape. Here you will find the partial cycle under Basic Shape. Click on it, press Shift and drag it. Now select the up arrow and drag it to the left and adjust it. Here you see the filled cycle. Now you have to select the shape fill and click No Fill. And you can increase the line weight by going Shape Outline. Then under Weight, you'll find the weight option of increasing line weight. See, it looks like a semicircle. By following this easy method, you can draw a semicircle in Microsoft Word document.